Oh my gosh, guys, I just got this box from Herbs and Oils and I can't wait to share it with you guys. The second thing that I got was this bonnet. It's the only one that stays on my head during the night because I'm a very rough sleeper. And when I pull it off, it looks like this and really shiny and beautiful. The next thing is the tonic. This is the good stuff. Once I take that bonnet off, I just spray it, rub my hands through it, and shake it, and I'm good to go for the day. This is the hair food that you need. The next thing I got is this edge brush, and it's perfect for me. Whenever I put my hair in a ponytail or two, I will always want to get my edges laid. So this is the perfect thing for me to use. Next, I got these two hair ties, which are perfect for my hair, and this device that helps me clean my scalp when I'm washing my hair. Next, I got this huge comb, and it's kind of like a pick for girly curly hair, and I would totally use this anytime it gets super tangled. Then I got this shirt. It's the Herbs and Oil shirt. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate it. And then last but not least, this detangler brush. It is perfect for my hair when I'm washing and conditioning it. It is perfect for me to go on the run and use when I'm traveling. It's perfect. This is the gel. It is a new product and I never really used it before, but if it's anything like the tonic, I'm ready to use it and it's going to be excellent for my hair. Thank you so much for all these items. I really hope that everyone that watches this goes to the Herbs and Oils websites, purchases all these. It is perfect for your hair, my hair, anyone's hair. Thank you so much. Bye.